What's up guys, Matthew Battles, and today I've got a battle between Lightning L-Drago 100HF and Storm Aquila 145HF. And this might be the same as like the last battle, where L-Drago just chip shots Eagle out or Aquila out of the stadium. We'll see then. Aquila's definitely taking some hits. So is L-Drago though. I figured I hadn't used Aquila in a while. I'm also going to be using Galaxy Touch Stereo. And L-Drago is going to win. Let's get one of my mini tools here. Yeah, Aquila needed to be timed a little bit. So did L-Drago. That's what I was thinking. So, 1-0. Ooh, see this underside of Storm is definitely getting hit. Like a KO there. That's fine, I think it matters who gets launched in first. Since Lightning wins. I don't think it's such a... Okay, maybe there was a statistical KO. But I don't think that was a big difference. So 2-1. Ooh. Quicker KO. Yeah, I don't think it makes as much of a difference like a KO because it's not like a base just going whoosh. They're kind of at each other at a neutral angle, I think. I guess some of it's just luck. I'm just than the last one, but I think a lot of that has to do with speed on the other one. And here we go. Okay, I'm glad they got going. I want them to get going for the final battle. Not as many big hits as the first one. Aquila's almost been knocked out a couple times though. L-Drago's held firm. It should have the stamina advantage. We saw that in the first battle. We'll see if it happens again. And it does. So Lightning L-Drago is your winner. So I hope you guys enjoyed that battle. It was nice using this bay again. I haven't used it in a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.